Before eating any type of egg, you should know what compounds it contains. An uncooked egg is the blood of vitamins. Therefore, many prefer to consume it as such. And you will find out what will happen from our link. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Uncooked eggs are the blood of vitamins. One of the reasons for eating eggs in the morning is to fight Helicobacter. This bacterium causes stomach ulcers and gastritis in humans. Doctors recommend drugs that have a lot of bad effects on the liver and intestines to treat such diseases. And the lytic enzyme contained in uncooked egg proteins without any negative effects helps the body to overcome these bacteria without any negative effects. If you have eaten eggs, write in the comments. To get the expected result, the egg should be fresh and should be consumed in the morning on an empty stomach. Many people prefer raw eggs because they are low in calories and therefore have high nutritional value. If you always control your weight, then this breakfast is for you. Eating uncooked eggs on an empty stomach creates conditions for providing the body with antacids, rejuvenating and increasing work capacity. It is very convenient for people who work from early morning. Although there are many benefits of eating raw eggs, it is not recommended for everyone. First of all, people who are prone to allergies should be careful when consuming it, and it is strictly prohibited for children under 7 years of age. This product has an effective effect on liver function. It should be noted that the probability of salmonellosis is high when eating raw eggs. To avoid this, boil eggs with baking soda for a few minutes before eating. Quail eggs are more useful than chicken eggs. They do not cause salmonellosis. They also do not cause allergies. Quail eggs are also very valuable in terms of composition. They contain potassium demarcation and B group vitamins. Therefore, quail eggs are recommended for children. Opera singers drink 1 raw egg every day on an empty stomach to keep their vocal cords in good shape. But do you think this habit only benefits singers? In fact, eggs contain a lot of micronutrients that have a huge impact on health, improve memory, improve the condition of nails and hair, and help you get on your feet quickly when you have a cold. Drinking raw eggs normalizes blood sugar. People suffering from diabetes should undergo regular checkups, and microelements in raw eggs relieve inflammation of the pancreas, which is responsible for the production of insulin in the body. Stomach problems are eliminated when drinking raw eggs. If you want to keep up with our interesting videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click like.